In the first page of the culinarian logs, there lies a grilled trout recipe, and I wanted to see if I could actually cook it. As an aspiring culinarian in-game, I figured I'd test my skills in real life. A few months ago, I started a new journey as a veteran sprout in Eorzea. And yes, I did a Realm Reborn 4 times. 4. Am I a masochist? That could be heavily debated. When I restarted my crafting and gathering, I went fishing in culinarian. Pretty lore accurate if you ask me. And it hit me. I already make cooking videos, so why not actually cook these dishes in real life? This grilled trout was one of the first recipes in my culinarian guild quest. So welcome to episode 1 of my Final Fantasy XIV food series. Here's what the game asks for: a fresh catch of princess trout, table salt, a fire shard, and a water shard. I can do salt. The shards I'm going to have to translate into an oven. Immersion broken, I know. I also used rainbow trout for this recipe because I didn't catch this one myself. Fishing skills are a work in progress. First step is a dry brine. I salt the trout and let it sit uncovered in the fridge. That pulls moisture off the skin so it crisps up instead of steams. Crispy skin, juicy inside. While that's going, potatoes. Halved, tossed in oil, salt and pepper, cut side down and baked until golden and crispy. While they're still hot, I toss them with butter, parsley, and flaky salt so it all melts together. After the dry brine, I pat down the trout again for any excess moisture. Then I stuff the trout with sliced garlic, parsley, and lemon slices for extra flavor. Then a little butter is brushed on, and it goes into the same oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. While the fish cooks, I've got time for the mushrooms. Shimeji mushrooms browned in butter before being tossed in garlic. I deglaze the pan with Chardonnay, scraping up every brown bit before reducing it. Then I add chicken stock and reduce again. And to cut all that richness, I char some lemons cut side down. This will add a nice smoky flavor while mellowing out some of the richness of the butter. Now for plating. I arrange the trout with the roasted potatoes. I spoon the pan sauce directly on the fish. I realized that if I wanted the skin extra crispy, I actually could have done it on the side. Then, as a finishing touch, I squeeze the charred lemon juice all over the fish. What's your verdict? This was my first time cooking trout, and it was definitely a lot of fun. I think for the next time, I'd consider doing a different wine for the reduction, or a new sauce altogether. I did deviate a lot from the original recipe, but I hope I was able to do it some justice. If I serve this in my tavern, would you try a bite?